So guys, welcome back to the channel, touching down from northeast Thailand. Today I thought I would do something a little bit different while I'm in my budget hotel here and do my packing list of what I travel around Thailand with, or just about where I travel anywhere anymore. This is what I take, and I've never done a video like this before, and I thought it would be useful and people can just see what I travel around with. So this here is everything I go on trips with now, or just about anywhere. This is what I take with me. Over the years I've downsized. I used to travel with so much stuff or go on holidays with big 60-litre backpacks, and year by year and every trip I made I downsized everything where I've got to where I'm comfortable now. This is, I could go lower. I'm always trying to find ways to go lighter, but yeah, I'm really comfortable with this now. So let's start with the backpack, which is one of the most important things, I think. So I used to travel with a 60-litre, like I said, and when I've been around Thailand in the last years, I've travelled around with a 25-litre, but I've just upgraded to this 30-litre bag here, and I think this is the sweet spot for me because I can fit just everything in there, and some things I buy along the way, like a new t-shirt or something. So I just got this Quicksilver 30-litre backpack, really simple, really nice. I was gonna go for an Osprey, but I like to be different, and I just like the simple look, and I really like this quality made Quicksilver. I don't think they're as good as quality as some of the Ospreys and stuff, but this bag was 3,000 baht in Thailand, so £70, something like that. It's really well made. So next to that, I've got my 2 caps. You know, I've got to have my hats, and I always bring 2 with me. Normally different colours, but this time I've gone for 2 green ones on this trip for some reason. And then it comes to my clothes, probably the heaviest, well no, the tech is the heaviest part, but the clothes takes up quite a bit of room. So I bring 4 t-shirts and the one I'm wearing as well. So I always bring colours, mix and match, black, green, grey, stuff that will match. So 4 t-shirts, all light and thin material, and the one I'm wearing. So 5 t-shirts. Underwear, I used to bring so much underwear, but now I bring 3 underwear and the ones I'm wearing. So 4 pairs of underwear and 2 pairs of socks. I've bought these really light, cheap underwear now. They're cheap, but they're really light, and you can just wash your underwear in the sink every night. So you don't really need a lot of pairs. You just wash them day by day, and 4 pairs is my sweet spot now. And the socks, I normally walk around with no socks, but I have 2 in case I'm going for long walks or something, and I can wash them in the night time as well. So my shorts and my bottoms, I like wearing long pants now a lot. So I bring 2 pairs of shorts, and I sleep in 1 pair, and 2 pairs of long pants, and they are really thin, like go thin pants. So yeah, 2 of each, and when the mosquitoes are out at the night time, I like to have long pants as well. So my trainers, just breathable, really light night trainers. So you can wear barefoot in these because it's the thin mesh style. They're so light, so your feet will breathe nice and easily. I always bring a separate day pack. This is a foldable day pack, really light, really thin, so you can leave your backpack at home and just chuck anything you want in your day pack. One that will fold up and just fit in your main backpack. So I've got my sunglasses, Next to that, always got to have the sunnies, right? Got to have the shades, man. And yeah, next to that is my toiletry. I used to have a toiletry bag, but now just get one of these wash, like tiny little thin, it's not even a bag, it's just a tiny thing that you just put stuff in, a thin, what would you call it? Yeah, it's not a bag, it's just a case, a little thin case that is waterproof. So I put all my toiletries in there now. Not a lot. I normally buy toothpaste and stuff when I arrive at the destination. So toothbrush, some moisturizer, cotton buds, and yeah, that's about it really. Just a few things that you need for your toiletry. Next to that is my trusty mini shaver. So I bought this in Thailand. It's I can never say this, Xiaomi, and it is the best one I have ever purchased. Because normally these cheap mini shavers, they're crap, right? They break after a while, but this one is got some real quality about it, and it is basically just like a main hair clipper in such a mini size. It will just fit in your pocket, and it will do my hair, it will do my beard, it will do everything, and one charge just lasts so long. So yeah, that is a great purchase that I made. So here is my, compression bag where I put all my clothes in. I forget what they're called now, my mind's gone blank. Yeah, it compresses it all down, compression, right? And yeah, I like these now. I like to keep organized in pouches and compression bags now. I think it makes it so much easier when you're traveling. So I will put my clothes in there and compress it down. So I've got the passport, the old British passport, look, and the wallet here. These two things stay on me at all times, the money and the passport. And here I've got my bag with all my chargers, like a little pencil case, a thin light pencil case where all my leads, cables and chargers will stay, laptop charger, phone charger. This here is my bag that I will take with me around my waist anywhere I go, with the camera inside and the passport and the wallet. So yeah, this will be on me at all times when I'm at airports or out with the camera or something, and it's got enough room just to keep your passport and any little bits you need, money and things like that. So over here is my trusty MacBook Air M1. I've had this for a few years now, and yeah, it's so trusty, it's still so fast, and it's all I need. It's so light and small as well. So this is where all the vlog magic happens, on the MacBook Air. And I've got my Bluetooth mouse there, so I can recharge this mouse as well, so I don't need any batteries or anything. So yeah, that's where I do all my editing. So this is my super fast external SSD, so all my footage doesn't go on the laptop, it all goes on my external SSD, and all the footage is saved on there, and I even edit from this SSD as well. So nothing really stays on the laptop, it's all on this super fast external SSD. Here is my tech bag where the extra batteries live, the extra microphone, the SD cards, and that's where this SSD will live. I've got a backup smaller SSD as well where I back up all my footage. I never just keep my footage on one SSD. I will always do 2 copies in case something happens, because after like a few week trip you get home and one SSD's gone down, you've lost everything. So I always back it up. Like I said, I've got my batteries and stuff in there, and 2 phones. I always bring 2 phones. I've got my main phone with my Thai number on, and a backup phone with my UK phone number. So for any security issues where I need text messages. I've got my backup phone with the UK number still going. So people always ask me about how I've got a UK phone by being here for so long. You can keep your UK number alive as long as you make a phone call or a text message every few months. I know mine is every 6 months. I've got to be active on it every 6 months. So that's what I do. I send a message to myself every 4 or 5 months just to keep it alive. So yeah, that is everything I travel with now, guys, whether it's going anywhere. I mean, if I go to a cold country in the future, I'm probably going to need a bit more stuff, but traveling around Asia where it's hot and you don't need so much stuff, this is everything. I just thought this would be a cool vlog for today, something different, something I've never shown before on my channel. So I'm just about to check out of this hotel. The sun has come out today. It's been raining and overcast here for the few days I've been here, and yeah, we're moving on. So really cheap hotel. It was okay, nothing amazing, but that's all you need to lay your head. So I'm gonna leave it there, guys. Let me know your thoughts. What do you travel with? Do you travel more? Do you travel then less with me? So it'd be good to hear some comments. Hope you're all safe and sound as always, and I will see you in the next one. So take it easy, man. Take it easy.